Set up sticks all the way around this gas station. He can't get out. He's stuck in the gas station here.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
On March 17, 2023, a man allegedly forced an Amazon delivery driver to hand over the van and keys near 65th Street and Lancaster Avenue. A witness later told reporters that before taking the Amazon van, the suspect allegedly tried to get into another vehicle first. One resident said his wife and child were in the car when the man approached. If true, that suggests the Amazon truck may not have been the original target. It may simply have been the easiest vehicle available after the first attempt failed.
Stand by, we're going to be going northbound on 56, off of Meineke.
Officers later spotted the stolen van several miles away and attempted a traffic stop. The driver fled, and now you will see the 12 minutes pursuit.
45. Approaching Lisbon. Going eastbound on Lisbon. Slowing in traffic. Stand by. Still eastbound on Lisbon. Wrong lane to Trenton. Disregard. Eastbound on Lisbon. 54th Street. Traffic medium. Speed's 40. Stand by. He's on the wrong side of the road. Still eastbound, approaching 51st. Eastbound on 51st, through the intersection, going past District 3. All over the road. Still eastbound, speed 60. Been caught up in traffic here by 175. Wrong side of the road, stand by. Disregards the red. He's going to get on to 175. 175 south. Here we go. Speed's 50. Road's clear. Traffic light. Vehicle is a blue Amazon with a police number of X-ray 17. License plate X-ray Edward 29707. We are still eastbound. We just passed a squad that I would hope would come behind me here. Still southbound, so stay by, speed 70, traffic is clear, road's clear. Appears to be one black male driving. Matches the description given. I know I'm on District 4. Sorry, I'll jump to 7. Actually, I'll jump to 3. 857 for the air on 3. In pursuit of an Amazon truck that was taken in robbery. We are southbound on 175. Roads are clear, speeds are 69. We're still eastbound. Notify the sheriffs, please. Okay, we're going to be connected 94 eastbound. Connector ramp at the stadium here. We're going to go east on 94. I can't hear whoever's talking.
207 monitor.
Alright, we're eastbound on 94. Traffic is medium. Roads are clear. Stand by, here we go, eastbound still. Approaching 35th Street exit. Don't be surprised if he tries to do the old okey doke. And nope, we're going to be 35th Street exit. Stand by, see which way he's going. Alright, now we're going northbound on 35. 35, crossing over the freeway. Let's see, speeds 45, crossing Mount Vernon. Speeds 48, stolen Amazon truck. Wisconsin plate X-ray Edward 29707. Fleet number X-ray 17. Still northbound on 35. Approaching Michigan. We're crossing Michigan. Approaching Wisconsin Avenue. Stand by. Eastbound on Wisconsin from 35th Street, north past Marquette High School. Speed 65, roads clear, traffic light. Slowing down. Okay, I got a District 3 squad coming up here. Approaching 27, light is green. Stand by, which way is he going to go? Through the red light. At 27, still eastbound. Stand by, guys.
Now 6 authorized.
857, we're still eastbound. Stand by. Around these brakes. We're approaching 24th. We're going to go northbound on 24. 24 northbound.
7201, I'll monitor 3 cars, not 6.
Stand by, we're going to be going westbound on Wells.
814 signal, we're monitoring.
Stand by, we're at 25 and Wells. This guy's got to be whacked. Stand by. Car's blocking him in. Now we get out of the way. Stand by. Here we go. Northbound on 25.
8259, we're good. 1 black male in the truck driver's seat, looks like.
857, that's all I saw was one person driving. Nobody else in the vehicle. We're approaching 26 westbound. And we're going to be going southbound on 26 from Wells. Make that Kilburn, sorry. Approaching Wells, southbound. Now we're going to be going eastbound on Wells.
Marquette, can you get south 6 out there?
Southbound on 25. He's stopping, but I don't know what he's going to do here. Stand by. Don't get too close. Yep, take it off. Southbound. Stand by. We're approaching Wisconsin. Westbound on Wisconsin Avenue. Westbound Wisconsin, wrong side of the road. Approaching 27 westbound. Stand by, we're going southbound, 27 from Wisconsin. He's swerving, acting like a jack here. He's recklessly endangering safety, make another oncoming traffic swerve. We are approaching, crossing St. Paul onto the viaduct. Speeds are 70. Traffic is medium, roads clear. Wanted for robbery, Amazon truck, Wisconsin plate, X-ray Edward 29707. Fleet number X-ray 17, 1 occupant. Still southbound, getting towards the end of the viaduct, crossing Evergreen, approaching National.
3269, we can be forth there, we can take your broadcast if that's all right with 7472.
Stand by. Here we go. We're at Pierce, through the red, crossing Pierce, still southbound, and now it's stand by. He's entering the parking lot here at the 700 block of South Caesar Chavez. I'm sorry, South Lee. Still wandering through the parking lot. We might be running out of options here. Stand by. Cars are getting out of the way of the parking lot. Speeds 10 miles an hour. Getting out on the National. We're going to be going west on National.
far as I'm wondering.
Going northbound.
814, only 3 cars.
Give me the air, give me the air. Here we go, northbound on 28 from National. Road's clear. He's turning right to go eastbound on Pierce, approaching 27 or Layton Boulevard again. Stand by, red light. He's staying down. He's entering the intersection, crossing. All right, we're going to be back to northbound on 27, approaching the viaduct.
Hey, one of our secondaries here that have 2 people broadcasting.
There he's going. Half the median, half the median.
3120, we are all primary, we were secondaries going southbound on 27th Street. 3269. We're still in I'll take the broadcast. Coming up to 24. Alright, he's responding to the alley, guys. He's responding to the alley. Going 26 from Pierce. 1 block south of Pierce. He's coming, he's up, he's coming to Pierce, guys. He's coming to Pierce. 6-9, we're primary. We're coming through the doors now, northbound. Speeds are 20. Roads are dry, no traffic. He's up 6 right there on that exit, guys. He's going to come right out to you. Perfect. He's 176 on the way we came in. 176 on the way we came in. All right, we're rolling back out towards the viaduct. Good try, good try. All right, we're back on 27. Cross the viaduct back to District 3. Maybe you pursuit of this Amazon truck, wanted wrong robbery. Speeds are 50. Roads are dry. No traffic. All traffic is off to the side of the road. We have 6 on St. Paul. Get 6 at St. Paul if you can. Speeds are 70. Roads are dry. No traffic. Blue Amazon truck, wanted wrong robbery. 6 on St. Paul. Back off a little bit. 6 on St. Paul. All right, coming up to St. Paul. He's going to try and go west on you. He's going to go west on you guys. All right, speeds are... You can go to the gas station. Stop again. Coming through the gas station, BP lot. Back to 270. Stop here. He's going to pop back out and go north. Back into the gas station, guys. Stop 6 all around the gas station. Take it out. You're stuck in the gas station.
The chase ended at a BP gas station near 27th Street and St. Paul Avenue. The suspect was later identified as Michael Miller. Prosecutors charged him with robbery, fleeing, eluding an officer, reckless endangerment, and felony jail jumping. Court records later indicated questions were raised about his competency to proceed.